So today I depart for Orlando, and here is the real MVP. It says it on her shirt, homies. She packed everything for me, and yeah, I was gonna start sooner, but things got complicated, and look at my baby.
She was gonna leave at 6:15.
So
Look at this time.
Kitty, you're so pretty. We are on our way to Etball's house. Nancy's driving me there because, yeah, oh, look at my toenails. But yeah, we have departed the facilities. The facilities? Against the bottle, swearing on a Bible, baby, I'll never leave you. I remember how bad I need you when I taste tequila. We stopped to get gas and not to get gas, but because I needed to pee. And look at the state of this bathroom. Look at this. Guys, I don't know if I can pee in here. I don't know if I can pee. But I'm gonna pee in my pants.
Scan this. Just scan it cuando se baje de esa cosa.
I'm just chilling.
There's a black box.
We have arrived to the premises. Y'all, Nancy is so extra. She bought 4 bath bombs and Mr. Bubble.
To make an extra bubble.
I can't. I wish I could zoom in. Nancy's making breakfast. Giovanni's pretending to help. And I'm chilling. Nancy made us breakfast. Look at these fluffy pancakes. This is aesthetically pleasing to me right now. This is bacon. Not sponsored, Minute Maid Premium Berry Punch. Brandon is actually a good person to sleep with, y'all. He doesn't move. He follows my rules. And then Etball's drinking coffee. You're hired, Brandon. We have arrived to Volcano Bay. Well, the entrance. Nancy's being extra, as always. This is Brandon. Yeah, I really don't know what we're doing. I'm just walking. Allie, I'm confused. We're gonna get on this bus. So this reminds me of New York City, to be honest. It's like
The
subway.
Yeah.
Except a lot cleaner and a lot less stressful. Okay, so we're getting there. We just watched some tutorial on this screen. Giovanni is up front. Why is it so dark? Oh, there it goes. Oh, but now this is okay. But yeah, you can't really see anything. It has things. I don't know where the volcano is. I just saw it. This is what the ticket area looks like. Y'all, this is gonna take me forever to edit. Guys, there it is. The volcano. I don't know what this is, but the volcano. So, small rant. When we came into the park, we were trying to get parking, and that lady was so rude. She was like, y'all are late. And we're like, where? We didn't have an appointment. And Nancy was so done. And but yeah, she was kind of rude. I was scared. Oh, I'm wearing this bathing suit cover up thing, and Nancy's wearing, I'll show you what she's wearing. Yes, Nancy, pose. Modela Messi. But yeah, that lady was mean. But you know what? We are not late. There was like 50,000 parking spaces, and it doesn't even look that crowded. Yeah, like it literally looks like a normal water park. Crowdedness, is that a thing? But yeah, Nancy's lit. This is the premium. Is it premium or okay? Premium seating. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah, I didn't know this was happening, but Nancy's chilling, bougie AF. But yeah, so Allie, I got my Sport Sunscreen 50 lotion that you recommended, so I hope you're proud. I didn't buy a waterproof case because I'm dumb, but I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. I wish I could show y'all while we're inside the water, but hold on. Did y'all hear that music? It was like every time that music comes on, the thing it starts getting waves. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. This is like the big general pool. Can y'all see? But yeah. I need to go all the way inside though. It's cold though. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all that. I wish I could go inside. I should have bought a waterproof case. So we're finally eating lunch. I got basic chicken tenders. Yes, look at this. Nancy got a burger. Giovanni got ribs. Brandon got pizza. And then Nicole got a burger as well. But yeah, look at this. Yeah. Oh, my camera looks good. So it was raining for like 0.25 seconds. And they shut down the rides. Oh crap, can I see your arm? No, the other one. As you can see, our tapu says ride delay. And so we're just sitting here. Nancy is getting drunk like always. I have mine right here. Wait, it's right there. He drank it. I'm just kidding, it's not mine. But Nancy, say something to Allie.
I just want to take
Loud.
I just want to take a few moments to let you know that I missed you. And I really want you to get back so we can have Monday fun days.
Oh, Monday. But I'm not going to participate.
Okay, we need to make it Sunday fun day.
Okay, Sunday fun day. I like that. I've hired a new assistant because apparently I can't handle packing. Not even 10 minutes from the hotel.
Exactly. She didn't bring an extra pair of clothes to go to dinner after all day being at the pool. So
I have this, and that's it.
Bring anything else.
You know what? Leave me alone, Nancy. Ooh, my bangs they're looking rough. Ew. So they're about to close, and I'm gonna go get a nighttime picture of the volcano. Because it's pretty. To be honest, I'm really tired. I need sleep, but it's whatever. Allie, this is for you, and Brenda. The struggle is real. Hold on, I'm lost. This is what it looks like at night. It looks better in person because it's twinkly and there's a little girl by herself. Everybody's posting the same angle of the same thing on Snapchat. But yeah, this is what it looks like. We're leaving now. It's like 9. What time is it?
It's like 9:30.
It's like 9:30. I didn't bring any clothes, so I'm the only one that's still wearing her bathing suit. Kind of upset about that because I'm wet. But it's okay. You know what?
You only live once.
Yeah, YOLO. Oh my gosh, it's on my face. Well, but yeah, it was pretty cool. I'm tired. I'm not sunburned though, so that's good. Oh look, I'm gonna show y'all how we're leaving. We're getting on escalators. Watch your step. I got dizzy. What is going on? Do y'all hear this? These fire alarms. Not fire alarms. Car alarms. I need to go to Giovanni's trying to moonwalk on the conveyor belt. Giovanni is gone. Phone. I don't know what he's doing. Nancy's on her phone on Facebook. What is this?
I don't know. It's an app.
Oh, well, Nancy's looking at weird stuff on Facebook. Today we're going to Miami. I'm not sure what part of Miami, but I'm eating a muffin. Oh, thank you, Giovanni. Nancy's. I'm the only one eating a chocolate muffin. What is that? Blueberry? Cherry? So I think that one's banana. And
Banana nut muffin.
where's the other one? This one is. What is this one? Yeah, this one's blueberry.
So healthy.
And this one is. Hold on. This one's cherry. I've never had a cherry muffin before. There is none. I looked. Really?
Oh my God, I'm glad you got that on video. I'm glad you got that on video.
Story of my life. Okay, so
Easy
Giovanni.
learning, process.
Giovanni found milk. Let me go. So we arrived in Miami and this is the first thing we see. I don't know what's happening, but yep. We're crossing the street, I think. We have arrived to Miami Beach. I can feel my skin turning red by the second. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. And I'm wearing Converse, by the way. I need to take them off. But I'm doing this for the vlog. Oh, I caught that on camera. Oh my gosh, I'm getting my shoes full of sand. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm running out of recording time. So, Miami Beach is, in one word, I guess you could say, dirty. Like, look at me. Like, well, you can't really see now, but the waves are super strong and there's like so much algae in it. I'm gonna go show y'all in a second. And it's like, I get in and you can't, like, basically it's not somewhere I would go, but the actual like place is nice, and the workers over here at this little place are really mean. Like, I was just trying to buy some water, girl. This is like watching me. But yeah, I'm gonna go show y'all. There's a sea turtle nest though. Okay, y'all see, this is like sloping literally downhill, and okay, do you see how hard these waves are? And like all the seaweed, like it doesn't look as bad on the camera, but it's kind of bad. Like Anna Maria Island is where it's at. And like, I hope you can see the slope. It's like, but yeah, I am not impressed by Miami Beach at all. As you can tell, they're not impressed either. They're just sitting there. And this kind of hurts, like, hold on. This literally looks like Myrtle Beach sand, like, do you see? That's what it looks like. I'm going into detail. It's really hot, but according to Brandon, it's only, how much did you say? Like 86 degrees. At this point, I'm just laying down because I'm not gonna get into the water because it sucks. Because Brandon says it's dirty. It is dirty. But yeah, so they're deciding where to eat because we haven't had food sunscreen on for no reason. I wish I could zoom in. But there's like some people dancing here. Ah! I screamed in my vlog. Okay, I figured out how to zoom in. If I could just find the person. Ah! Okay, they're not paying attention. Okay, so this is those are my homegirls. Kiki. Both of them are Kiki. Hold on. We are in some tattoo parlor. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna go outside in a second. What does that say? Wait, it's short. I think these are free. Anyway, oh, Miami Tattoo Co. Nancy is putting in her information. Y'all get that credit card information. Just kidding. But yeah, this is gonna be scary. Nancy is now getting her tattoo. Me and Giovanni are watching, and my nose is shiny. But there she is. Here's her feet. Ah, Nancy, how do you feel? I can't hear you. I'm scared. It's starting. Nancy, I can tell you're smiling. Crap, it's still recording. I'm walking to Surf Style to meet Brandon. Nancy's getting her tattoo done, but like, you know, the main excitement is the very first part when they start like doing the thing. And I'm gonna go to this shop right here called Surf Style because that's where Brandon's at. And I hope I can cross the street on my own. I don't know if that's gonna be possible. Here, I'm gonna film it so you guys can see that I am capable of crossing the street by myself in Miami. What's that lyric by Iggy Azalea? It's like something alone in the middle of Miami. 16. I don't know. Look guys, that's Brandon. Nancy just finished her surgery, post-op. How do you feel, Nancy?
Amazing.
We are at Miami ice cream rolls. Handcrafted. It's not, I can't. But yeah, Brandon likes it. Brandon has a tote. Y'all, they asked us at Surf Shop if we were getting married. The Surf Shop. No, Surf Style. I was like, we're just buying keychains and stuff. Leave us alone.
What happened?
What exactly did she say?
She was like, are y'all getting married?
This is me.
I was like, what?
I'm just trying to buy a t-shirt.
On.
Okay.
Generation to generation.
Okay, what did he say? What did he say? Because I mean, there's some cavemen that are pretty intelligent.
He used to hunt animals.
And what else?
With a spear.
And what else?
You would cut and eat the thing like that.
I mean, your cavemen must have been not really intelligent, because our cavemen on the side of my history, they used to cook the food.
That's the dumbest thing I ever heard.
No! Look it up! It is proven science. Even SpongeBob had a fire lit underwater.
What is happening?
I'm not gonna say it.
Look.
We're at like a food truck place. We're gonna eat. I don't know what I want. It's like kind of full. We're eating tacos and a bougie jarrito de tamarindo. What kind is that? This is the Mandarin water because he is healthy AF, right, Brandon?
Oh yeah.
Yep. And then Giovanni is eating. Wait, they're drinking Pepsi because they're lame. And I don't know. Wait, what does Nancy have? Oh wait. Guys, look at this. This is like a really cool food truck. I want something from this place. They have like little. I can't see it, but I'm zooming in on people's face. I just zoomed in on this random lady's face. This look here reminds me of Coco. Allie, you need to watch it so you can see what I'm talking about. But look, there's like artwork and whatnot. I don't know where the heck we are, but it's pretty cool. Hold on, there's like a slingshot. This light is in my way. There's like a slingshot. I'm trying to get Brandon to get on with me, but he doesn't want to. And then there's like that needle thing that's like flashing different colors. And hold on, I swear there was a Ferris wheel. Am I going crazy? There was a Ferris wheel somewhere, I promise. Yeah, there goes Nancy and Giovanni. Oh look, it's moving, it's moving. He's knocked out.
I'm supposed to be packing right now.
That packing life. That packing life. It is Sunday and everyone's showering except me because I shower last night because I'm so smart. So now I'm sitting here watching The Office.
This one says milk condiment. I don't know. I guess I get it.
It's so funny. I love The Office. This is Nancy's phone. We're at Cracker Barrel and I ordered milk and they gave me these two cute little cartons. Vitamin D, you see that? Wait, you see that? Ah, it's not focusing. Okay, it's not focusing, but yeah. Nancy's tan. Nancy, show them your tattoo and this lighting. Okay, so this is what a freshly made tattoo looks like. And this is what an old one looks like. It looks a little bit pink around here.
There's tinder there.
Yeah. It looks good. Why am I looking at it through here? Thank you.
Let me get the biscuits for you.
He's been doing that for like for like 5 minutes now. So we are going to some other beach. What's this place called? Was it Flagler?
Beverly Beach.
Beverly Beach. Just for the heck of it. And I didn't capture the part where you could actually see the ocean, so I'm going to stop the video now. So it is Beverly Beach. It's really hot. First impression, the sand is a weird color and it's kind of windy, but it's nice. It's fun. It's better than Miami, I'm not gonna lie. Oh wait, Why does it say Flagler? What? Where am I? So I swear the sand here is orange. But we're on the pier now. We're into some bait shop. It's kind of scary. Just kidding. So this really does look better than Miami. There's no seaweed or anything. Yeah, I'm like mesmerized by this fishing life. No wonder Emmanuel loves it. I saw somebody catch a shark, but I didn't get it on camera. Also, Pride. I think they have something, but oh my gosh, I just noticed those green things. We're under the pier, and it's like, I've never been under a pier. Actually, I have. What am I talking about? Oh, no! Okay, so much for not getting my clothes wet. Y'all, we found some chalk. This is the closest I'm gonna get to graffitiing my name on the wall. Let me show y'all from far away. Yeah. I have not been this hot this entire summer. Look at my nose. I look like Larry. Oh my neck is hot. Hold on. You know, look at this tan line though. We're about to leave Flagler or Beverly, whatever it's called. It was hot. My feet are burned. They're like, wait. They're like full of sand. Allie, you would die. You would like be at the hospital right now. We're at a different beach now. I like this one. The sand is like, the sand is like nice and it's not that hot. And there's like a bunch of beach houses. Allie, you would like this, I think. Maybe not.
You know that thing?
What thing? Yo, so we stopped to get gas. Well, we were at the beach, but can we talk about humidities, Abigail? I know you're watching. Like, so we are at a bougie restaurant, not restaurant, Sonic in, where are we?
KC, Columbia.
KC. It's near Columbia, but it has inside seating. I still would never work here. Oh, I don't think I can say that in my vlog. Just kidding. Sonic is amazing. I love Sonic. Sonic is the best restaurant. But today we're gonna try the pickle slush. Do they have it here?
You are, not me.
Okay, so I'm trying the pickle slush because I lost a bet. What was a bet?
Favorite number.
Yeah, okay, so yeah, I'm trying the pickle slush. Is it on the menu?
That's what I'm trying to remember.
You know what? It's whatever. I'm gonna go ask. Okay, hold on. Can I get a mini?
Alright, what else can I get for you?
That's it.
Alright, so does 1 8. We'll have a bread out to you shortly. Thank you for choosing Sonic.
Thank you. Y'all, I'm telling you. This is a bougie. Oh no, wait, I messed up. Back. Pay with card. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I can't multitask. I'm telling you, I'm in the bathroom at Sonic right now. Like, the Sonics I've been to do not look like this in the bathroom. And it even has a full-length mirror. Oh, look, outfit of the day. I'm wearing this shirt with leggings and flip-flops. Gucci flip-flops. And my hair's a mess. I didn't brush it. Okay, it was locked. Wait. Okay. It has inside seating. I'm not gonna go all the way in there because it's like, I don't know, but you know. Yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, this is definitely not gluten-free, paraben-free, non-GMO. What other thing is it? Vegan, cruelty-free. Look at it. Look at the color of this thing. Wait, hold on. This is better lighting. Dwight. Hazme caso. Jeanette, say something to the camera.
Pues nada más aquí.
En el gordo y la flaca.
Mi amigo Dwight es muy penoso, pero le gustan las cámaras, no es que ¿qué está haciendo?
Sigue la cámara.
¿Cómo? Le gusta la Pepsi, le gusta el color rojo, peina así bien bonito. Le acabo de cortar el pelo.
Dos trabajos y luego con un par de... con un...
¿Qué? Así no me llamo Ariel.
Oh, sí, es cierto. Ariel.
Este es Francis.
Yo no haría eso.
Abigail, say something
Te
to the
creo
camera.
capaz. ¿Cómo? Sí te creo capaz, así como
But hurry up, because my Snapchat is dying.
She ain't smoking weed for
Tiene dos trabajos.
This is Luz Maria.
Hello.
Jeanette, sing me a song.
Te encargan unos zapatos que cuestan 270.
Happy
Te encargó
birthday.
una
No,
playera
no.
Cántame una de Rake.
Y si van con nombres un poco más.
I was about to say, antes que pase.
El short de...
Mi amigo Dwight.
Y todo eso.
El paparazzi.
El trabajo se va para el... Ya, Miriam. Imagínate, ¿tú crees que está bien de cabeza, chaval?
Es que ahorita no estamos guapos, por eso ahorita no queremos así.
¿Y cuándo te arreglas, Dwight? Dwight, ¿cuándo te arreglas?
Que no es que no lo
El
viste los
viernes.
zapatos.
El viernes.
Sí, el viernes.
¿Qué es el viernes?
Los zapatos los
Es
queremos.
viernes.
Es el viernes. Ya me llaman.
Ok, ya.
Sí, pero mira,
¿Qué es el
yo
viernes?
te entendería porque lo estuvieran diciendo. Me dice,
I don't know why I'm still vlogging, but I just got off work and it's so freaking hot. And there's Jeanette. She's giving somebody a ride. I don't know if you can tell. Yes. But I just wanted to tell y'all that today I got paid for doing absolutely nothing. Like, I walked around all day and talked with everybody and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna go home now because it's hot.
Smoking since I was 11. Ooh, 11. I've been popping pills since I was 7. Told my pastor I don't do confessions. Hell no. Cause I pop a lot of Molly for my breakfast. Ooh, Molly.